Look at this YouTube channel called Animal GoCam. It has only 217,000 subscribers and just 39 videos, but it has already gained more than 176 million views. One of its videos has 56 million views, another has 38 million, then 12 million, 10 million, and many more videos getting millions of views. The crazy part is that the content is extremely simple. The videos show animals with tiny body cameras exploring places like rivers, oceans, cities, landmarks, and even ancient ruins. But the way the videos are presented makes everything feel mysterious, dangerous, and hidden, like the viewers discovering something they were never supposed to see. Now, you might think this kind of content requires expensive cameras, wildlife teams, or professional equipment, but that is not true at all. These videos can actually be created with AI and you don't need to spend any money. No paid software, no complicated tools, and no professional editing skills are required. In fact, many of these viral videos are generated using simple AI tools that are completely free. And this isn't just one lucky channel. I also found another channel using the same simple idea, and its videos are also getting millions of views. One of its most popular videos has 32 million views, while many others consistently reach millions as well. This clearly shows that the demand for this type of content is huge, and the competition is still very low. Watch this video first. I created it in just 5 minutes and it didn't cost me anything because I used completely free AI tools. The same type of video you're watching right now is what many viral channels are uploading, and they are getting millions of views with very simple content. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create the same style of viral videos using free AI tools. I'll walk you through the exact process, so you can start making these videos yourself. So let's get started. Create videos like this. You will first need a prompt, and I've provided the prompt link in the description so you can easily access it. Simply go to the link and open the document where all the prompts are available. The first thing you need to do is copy the first prompt from that document. After copying it, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. Then click the Generate button. ChatGPT will then give you 10 viral video topic ideas related to this type of content. If you don't like any of the topics it generates, you can simply click Regenerate to get new ideas until you find one you like. Once you find a topic you want to use, select it and copy the title. After that, go back to the same prompt document again and copy the second prompt that I provided. Then paste this second prompt into ChatGPT. Inside this prompt, you will see brackets where you need to paste the topic title you selected earlier. Replace the text in the brackets with your chosen topic, and then click the Generate button again. ChatGPT will then automatically create image prompts and video prompts based on that topic. These prompts will be used to generate the visuals for your video, which we will turn into the final viral content. In the next step, we will generate the images for the video. First, copy the first image prompt that ChatGPT generated for you. After that, you need to use any AI image generation website that supports the Nano Banana model. There are several websites available, but in this example, I will use Pipit.ai to generate the images. You can find the link to Pipit.ai in the description. If you sign up and log in through that link, you will receive free credits which you can use to generate images without paying anything. After opening Pipit.ai, go to the image generation option. Once you are there, paste your first image prompt into the prompt box. Next, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, since this works best for video content. Then go to the model section and select the Nano Banana model. After everything is set, simply click on the Generate button. A new interface will appear where the AI will start creating your image. You just need to wait a few seconds while the process finishes. Once it's done, your first image is ready to use. Now that your first image is ready, the next step is to generate the remaining images. To do that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. Make sure you copy only the image prompt, not the video motion prompt that comes with it. Once you've copied the image prompt, return to the image generation. Then click the Generate button. The AI will start creating your next image. After the second image is generated, repeat the same process for the rest of the prompts. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next image prompt, return to the website, paste it into the prompt box, and generate the image. Continue following the same steps until you have created all the images needed for your video. This process is very simple and quick, and within a few minutes you can generate all the cinematic images required for your project. Once all your images are ready, the next step is to download them. First, click on the first image you generated. After opening the image, you will see a download button. Click on it and choose to download the image in PNG format without the watermark if that option is available. Then save the image to your device. After downloading the first image, repeat the same process for the rest of your images. Open each image one by one, click the download button, and save them to your device in PNG format. Make sure all the images are properly downloaded and stored in one folder, so they are easy to use in the next step. Once everything is downloaded, you will have all the images ready for creating the final video. Now the next step is to convert your images into videos. For this, we will use Google's free AI tool called Flow AI. First, open the website labs.google/fx/tools/flow. After opening the website, click on Sign In and then select New Project. Once you enter the project, you will see a new interface appear on your screen. Next, go to the Settings section below. Here, change the format from image to video. After that, select the aspect ratio as 9:16, so it matches the format of the images you created. Also select the appropriate video generation model available in the tool. After setting everything up, you will see a plus icon in the workspace. Click on this icon and a panel will appear with a search bar and an upload button at the top. Click the upload button and upload the first image from your device. Wait a few seconds while the image finishes uploading. Once the image is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT again. Under each image prompt, you will also see a video motion prompt. Copy the video motion prompt that corresponds to the image you just uploaded. Then return to Flow AI, paste that motion prompt into the prompt box, and click the Generate button. The AI will then start creating a video based on your image and motion prompt. After a short wait, your first AI-generated video clip will be ready. Once your first video clip is ready, the next step is to create videos for the rest of your images. Go back to Flow AI and upload the next image the same way you did before. After uploading the image, return to ChatGPT and find the next video motion prompt that matches that image. Copy that motion prompt, go back to Flow AI, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and click the Generate button. The AI will start converting that image into a video clip. You need to repeat the same process for all your images. Each time, upload the next image, copy the corresponding video motion prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow AI, and generate the video by following these steps one by one. All your images will be converted into short video clips. After all the videos are generated, the final step is to download them. Open each generated clip and click the download button to save the video to your device. Download all the clips one by one so you have them ready for the final editing or compilation step. Once everything is downloaded, all your AI-generated video clips will be prepared and ready to use. Now the next step is to edit the video. You can use any video editing software you like, but in this example, I will use CapCut. First, open CapCut and create a new project, then import all the video clips you downloaded earlier. After importing the clips, place them on the timeline. You may notice that a watermark appears in the clip. To remove it, simply select the clip and zoom in slightly so that the watermark moves out of the frame. Do the same for the rest of the clips. Add each clip to the timeline one by one and slightly zoom in so the watermark is no longer visible. Once all the clips are properly placed and adjusted on the timeline, your video structure will be ready. After that, you can add transitions between the clips to make the video smoother and more engaging. You can also apply simple effects or filters if you want to improve the visual quality. Finally, when your editing is complete, click on the Export button in the top corner. A new export window will appear, and you just need to click Export again to start rendering the video. After the export finishes, your final video will be saved to your device and ready to upload. Now you can watch and review the final result of your video.
All right, nice and secure now. Be safe. Good luck, old man.